Hey y'all, my name is Scott, and today we got a project that I made 9 years ago that has formed a crack on both sides of the checkerboard. And I'm going to show y'all how to keep from this happening, and we're going to try to repair this in the process. Y'all stay tuned. So first thing we're going to do is take off the border to it, and luckily I only used brad nails to fasten this. I think if I would have used glue in the beginning, it would have created more of a problem for the center part of the checkerboard than what it did. There is a little bit of a cleanup that we're going to have to do. We're just going to have to use a putty knife and scrape the lacquer that got in between the border and the checkerboard. And right here I'm using end cutting pliers to pull the brads out. They normally do not damage the material too bad. And now we're going to do a little bit of cleanup on the inside the trim pieces so we can get a good bond when we glue it to the checkerboard. None of the sides on the checkerboard are straight, so we're going to clean them up on the table saw so we can get a good bond between the trim pieces and the actual checkerboard. While gluing these edges up, we're going to try not to put too much glue so there's not a lot of squeeze out on the face for us to have to clean up. The trick to building something out of fresh cut wood is to use a moisture meter and make sure that your material is at about 7 or 8% moisture content, and this should keep it from splitting and cracking. I didn't do this. I used mine right after it was cut and milled, and I'm surprised the project didn't turn out worse than what it did. The glue squeeze out is not too bad, so just a little bit of scraping and sanding and it should be ready for us to put some polyurethane on it. Hey y'all, we have finished the checkerboard and got one coat of polyurethane on it, and I think it was not a success. So as far as putting polyurethane over lacquer, I can't really say one way or the other because I didn't let it sit long enough to see how that would work out. But I will say they do give it a little bit different of a finish, and maybe because the lacquer gives the pine a yellow tint and the polyurethane is more of a clear. Just gonna wait till I can get some and refinish the top. It's all sanded back down to the original wood. I don't know if you can see that very well. So the next time we spray it, shouldn't have no problems. I'm going to leave some videos on the screen until next time, and I'm going to leave a link right over there for y'all to subscribe to the channel if you want to. Thank y'all for watching.